Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: model, iOS, and carrier voicemail support. Once done, back up any voicemails you want to keep. This prevents accidental loss. Now open phone, tap voicemail, and scan the list. This is where visual voicemail lives. If you see Setup, follow the prompts. If not, tap Edit to manage items. Make sure you understand whether voicemail is carrier-hosted versus iCloud-based, because the next steps differ based on that distinction. Next, you disable visual voicemail. If your carrier hosts voicemail, contact them or use their app to turn off visual voicemail. This removes the visual interface. For native settings, go Settings Phone and adjust voicemail options. Make sure notifications are off so you stop getting alerts. Then open the phone app, delete all messages, and tap Deleted Messages to permanently remove them. Once cleared, the phone app will stop listing voicemails, and the greeting will no longer play for new messages. To finish, restart your iPhone and test by calling your number from another line. Check that voicemail no longer answers. If voicemail still appears, reset network settings to refresh carrier links. This won't erase personal data, but will reset Wi-Fi and cellular settings. Make sure to log back into carrier apps afterward. Troubleshooting tip: if voicemail continues, contact your carrier with your account details. Many carriers must disable server-side voicemail to stop it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.